Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate bill.com for vendor payments and approvals, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the bill.com website. Log into your bill.com account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the option for integrations and click on it. Look for the section labeled Authentication related to vendor payments. Click on the option to set up authentication for vendor payments. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your banking information securely. Ensure all details are accurate and complete to avoid any issues. After entering your banking information, review the terms and conditions. Accept the terms to proceed with the authentication. Next, you may need to verify your identity via a two-step authentication method. This may involve receiving a code via email or text message. Check your email or SMS for the verification code. Enter the code into the designated field on the bill.com platform. Once the code is accepted, your banking information will be linked. Look for a confirmation message indicating successful authentication. To set up vendor payment approvals, navigate back to the settings menu. Find the Approval Workflows section. Click on the option to create a new approval workflow. Follow the prompts to set criteria for vendor payment approvals. Specify who should approve payments and under what conditions. Review all details of the approval workflow to confirm its accuracy. Once satisfied, save the approval workflow settings. You should now see your new approval workflow listed in the settings. For final confirmation, perform a test payment to ensure everything functions correctly. Monitor the payment process to verify that approvals are triggered as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.